So now let's see how we can work around with addressing settings inside of Thunderbird. So in order to work around with the addressing settings, you should first go around onto the tools menu right here and then go under settings right here. So once you go around and do that, you can see that addressing section is here. So it says when addressing messages, look for matching entries in local address books, as you can see right here. So you can see that local address book is turned on. You can also choose a directory server if you have one. So you can go ahead and add in the directory service for addressing as well. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and add outgoing email to the address automatically right here. So if you have an unknown email, then it'll simply be added around over here. And then you got the default startup directory over here, as you can see right here as well. So you can simply go ahead and choose the address book you want right here. So all of the address book that you see right here is actually maintained according to the settings that you have right here. So if I were to go around onto a new message, let's say for example, then if I were to type in, let's say for example, something like D, then you got the address right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the addressing settings inside of Thunderbird. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.